Communication is an art, and a few psychological tricks can turn you into a master conversationalist. Let's explore 8 simple yet effective tricks to boost your communication skills. Active listening. Truly listen to understand, not just to respond. Repeat back what you've heard to ensure clarity and show that you're engaged. Mirroring. Gently reflect the body language and tone of the person you're speaking with. This builds a connection and helps establish a sense of harmony in the conversation. Pause for effect. Sometimes, taking a moment of silence can speak louder than words. Use pauses strategically to let your message sink in and create a more thoughtful conversation. Using names. People love to hear their names. Incorporate names into conversations to create a sense of familiarity and connection. Say nice things. Share compliments and positive feedback. It makes conversations more enjoyable and helps create a friendly atmosphere. Share and care. Open up a bit about yourself or offer help. When you show genuine interest and kindness, it often encourages others to do the same. It's like creating a little circle of goodwill in your conversations. Start friendly. Approach conversations with the mindset that you already have a positive connection. This can create a more relaxed and friendly interaction. Stay positive. When talking, focus on the good stuff. Highlight solutions instead of dwelling on problems. A positive outlook makes conversations more enjoyable and productive. These psychological tricks may be subtle, but their impact on communication can be profound. Incorporate them into your interactions and watch your communication skills elevate to a new level. If you enjoyed these insights, don't forget to like and share the video and press the subscribe button for more valuable tips. Thank you for tuning in.